What we have here is a Triumph T140 Hardtail bobber with a 16-inch rear Harley wheel and a stock 19-inch front that's been powder coated. Both have been laced to the stock hubs. This particular bike would have had an 18-inch wheel on the rear. The folks at Buchanan's laced this for me on a 16 by 3.5 inch rim that I think looks pretty nice. Obviously the drilled rotors are not stock. The gurling components are not stock. I have wired up Prism supply light for brake and tail. The pad obviously is for a passenger, but it's nice to have something for big butt off the back seat. These are 4-inch springs. I'll probably add 5-inch springs just to sit it up a little higher. There is an oil tank, as the aforementioned frame does not have oil in it. So the return and feed go here. The top feed there runs back into this T, and there's an extra vent. This, let's see, tank art. This Triumph Tiger here was from the 70s. Put a 140 in it, put the Huxmoto lightning bolt in it. I think it turned out well. This is an aftermarket steel peanut tank. You'll see the dual coils here on both sides. These are both 6-volt coils run in series because I do have a 12-volt Pazon electronic conversion, so it is running 12-volt for the front pancake light and the rear Prism supply light. Just a simple fabrication here for the headlight that goes on the bottom of the triples. These have been rebuilt, cleaned up, new seals. I'll post a picture of what the bike looked like prior to tearing it apart and getting the frame powder coated. This Renthal bar is a really similar shape to the stock one, so swapped that out. This Smith's gauge is a reproduction from India. I did use a 10mm front master to run down to the gurling cylinder there. Let's see, we've got, I believe, aftermarket pipes that are just straight. You'll hear them at the end of the video when the bike starts up. This is actually a stock length chain, although it looks longer because of the hardtail, I believe. The chain drive in the 79 and the T140 is on this side. This has been converted and has a belt running, so it's dry, which is why we have the vent here, which runs back along the frame. Obviously new, well, just about anything is new. Powder coated, the sprockets, obviously the seals. And yeah, I'm happy to take questions and show a video of it starting up here that I'll splice in place. Once again, 1979 T140 Triumph 750. Thanks.